Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wellness with Arsh, where we bring you tips to live your healthiest life. Today, we're diving into a golden spice that's been treasured for centuries: turmeric. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, is packed with curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But, are you using it the right way to unlock its full potential? Let's find out. Turmeric isn't just a pretty spice for curries. Studies show it can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even support brain health. But here's the secret: curcumin is the real star, and it's not easily absorbed by our bodies. So, how do we fix that? Tip number 1. Pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can enhance curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. So, don't skip that dash of pepper in your golden milk or curry. Tip number 2. Combine turmeric with healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or even avocado. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so this combo helps your body absorb it better. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Golden milk. This soothing drink is perfect for mornings or before bedtime. Just mix turmeric with warm milk, dairy or plant-based, add a pinch of black pepper, and sweeten with honey or maple syrup. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to your morning smoothie. Don't forget a sprinkle of black pepper and some coconut oil for that absorption boost. Cooking. Turmeric works wonders in soups, stews, and stir-fries. A little goes a long way, so start with half a teaspoon and adjust to taste. Supplements. If cooking with turmeric isn't your thing, you can always take it as a supplement. Just make sure it's paired with black pepper or fats for better absorption. A few quick tips. Use organic turmeric to avoid contaminants and store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. And remember, while turmeric is amazing, too much can cause stomach upset. So stick to 1–2 teaspoons a day unless advised otherwise by a healthcare professional. Host back in the cozy setting with the cup of golden milk. Turmeric is a simple yet powerful way to boost your health. And now, you know how to make the most of it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Text on screen, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay healthy, stay golden, and I'll see you in the next video.